So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we'll be unboxing and taking a closer look at the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra along with the Galaxy Buds Pro at the end. Also, I'll be uploading a review and many other videos regarding it, so make sure you have subscribed along with the bell button turned on. With that being said, let's get started. So up front, we have a beautiful S logo along with the model engraved. And on the top, we have the regulation sticker. Then on the bottom, we have got the phone's capacity, the RAM and the color of the phone. Then on the left side, we have the model engraved onto the box. And then on the right, we have the Samsung branding engraved as well. And finally, at the back, we have got the Samsung electronics sticker as well as the seals to open the box. On the top, we have the phone itself with the gorgeous burgundy color. Then we have the image sticker. And finally, the accessory box. At the back, we have a SIM ejector tool. And on the inside, we have a Type-C to Type-C cable and a quick start guide. Taking a closer look at the phone, we have a gorgeous 6.8-inch 120Hz refresh rate screen which can go up to 1750 nits in brightness. At the top, we have a tiny hole for a mic. And at the bottom, we have the S Pen along with a speaker, and next to that we have the Type-C charging port, then another mic, and finally the dual SIM card slot. There's nothing on the left side, and on the right side we have the volume and power buttons. And finally, at the back we have this lovely camera setup. I'll be making a complete phone review and a camera review video, so make sure you subscribe to stay tuned for those. Now let's unbox the Galaxy Buds Pro. So at the top we have the Galaxy Buds Pro engraved onto the box along with the Samsung logo at the bottom. Side note, I have got the graphite color with me. And then on the left side we have the Galaxy Buds Pro engraved once again. And finally at the back we have the features of the Galaxy Buds Pro. Upon opening the box, we are treated with a wearing guide which slides right away on lifting the box. That's also the place where we have got our paperworks, which is the warranty and the quick start guide. Next, we have the Buds Pro itself, in its case wrapped with a piece of paper which can be removed easily. Then we have got the charging cable, which is the Type A to Type C one, along with the different size ear tips. This is the case. It has an indicator at the front, and at the back we have the Type-C charging input. Then at the bottom we have got the wireless charging cutout along with some text. Let's go ahead and connect this. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on your Galaxy device, and then just lift open the Buds Pro case. It immediately detects the buds and shows a cool animation. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you are good to go. Just simple as that, we have successfully connected our buds. This is the Samsung wearable app which automatically opens when you are registering your device for the first time. You can control and do more with your buds using this app. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite feature is. With that being said, it'll be a wrap for this video, so make sure you have subscribed to my channel for more epic videos on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So as always, see you guys on the next one.